Hello, sir. So again, a very good evening to all of you guys, and welcome to Oliveboard. Now again, apologies first for like kind of for this particular setup. I'm not with my board because of like there's some current electricity problem, and that is the reason I couldn't be with my board. Now I hope you guys can see my screen properly. If you want me to increase or decrease the fonts, you let me know. I'll happily do that. Okay, chalo sir. So again, it is the CHSL mock analysis. Let us start, sir. Let us start. This is our first question. First question of the day. I hope I'm audible, visible, everyone. I hope like you guys can see me, hear me. I'll read your comments through this phone. So ho jayega, sir. Perfect. First question, average of 30 numbers is 50. 5 numbers. Font size increase a bit. Chalo. Now it's okay na? Now it is okay. Reena, let me know, please. Please let me know. I can at least in my screen, in my phone, I can see it clearly now. Just let me know this. Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. So again, the situation is actually not in my hands, so that's hence this like this thing. Hence, I had to kind of start the class from here only. I was skeptical ki like aa jayega, but nahi aaya. And you know those boards consume a lot of electricity. We cannot run it on inverters or anything. Now, average of 30 numbers 50, sir. 5 numbers each equal to 40 are replaced by 5 numbers of the same value x. The average becomes 48. Acha. Average was 50, it dropped to 48, sir. Meaning, sir, it dropped by -2. It dropped by 2. That is -2, it dropped. So, of how many numbers? Of 30 numbers, the average has dropped. So, what is the net drop? Net drop will be 30 times 2, that is 60. 60 is the net drop. So, whichever the new numbers, those are x. Those 5 of those new numbers are the reason for this drop. So, each number, tell me, is how much less than the average? Each number is how much less than the average? New average is 40. So, how much less? 12 less than average, sir. Can I say this? Why? Because you see 5 total drops are 60. That is getting caused by 5 numbers. So, each number is contributing how much, sir? 60 divided by 5, that is 12, sir. So, that is why I have done this. So, the new numbers are 40 minus 12. So, each of those numbers are 28. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Again, please don't solve these or try to solve these questions using the multiplication and so on. Multiplication and stuff. I'll recommend, I'll strongly suggest you guys not to use that. Perfect, everyone. First question done, understood. First question we have done. Chalo, let's move on. Let's move on to our next question, sir. Chalo. Goods A and B. Goods A and B have cost price in the ratio this. A is sold at this profit. B is sold. B is sold at a profit which is 2/3 of the A's profit. So 2/3 means, sir, it is 20%. 2/3 of 30% is 20%, sir. Total profit is this. Cost price is how much, sir? It's very simple. It is very simple. You can do it by allegation. You can do it in multiple methods. Let's do one thing, sir. Sir, it is 40x. It is 50x. The cost price. The cost prices. Okay? Very simple, sir. So, A sold at 30%. So, profit will be, sir, 4 3s are 12. 12x rupees profit. And, sir, 50, 20%, 5 2s are 10. So, it is 10 rupees profit, 10x rupees profit. That is given as 220s. As simple as that. X is equal to 22 is 2200, like 220. So, X is 10, sir. Now, cost price of B will be, sir, 500 rupees. Done, sir. It's a single line and it was. Option C is the answer. Option C, 500 is your correct answer. Everybody getting clear? Everybody clear? Not a difficult question by any stretch. Not a difficult question by any stretch of the word, right? Chalo, next one, sir. Next one, let's do, sir. A cistern contains milk in water and this ratio, okay. 20 liters of milk drawn off and replacement, sir. Replacement, and the ratio is this. Original quantity, sir. No worries. I don't know original quantity, sir. Milk and water, sir. Ratio, though I know 7:3. Now, what remains constant in replacement? Sir, the total volume. Total volume, sir, will always be the same. So, if I say it was 6, 7x and 3x, total, sir, that means 10x. Total volume was 10x, sir. Correct? Now, 20 liters of mixture was replaced. Now, please understand. Replaced by what? Replaced by water. So that means we always calculate what, like the quantity of that particular object which is not replaced. So here I'll talk about M only, W I'll not take, right? So now you understand, sir, whatever amount I draw and replace, so that mixture for which I have taken out, that mixture will also have the milk and water in the same ratio of 7:3. So in 20 liters of mixture, how much was the milk? So 7 plus 3, 10 is 20. 10 units is 20 liters, 7 units is 14 liters. So actually what happens, sir? 7x minus 14 liters of water or of the mixture I have drawn off. Now this is this much of milk is there. Sir, how much will be water? You do not need to calculate. Total remains constant. So total was 10x minus milk you do. Minus 7x minus plus this. So it is 3x plus 14 you can do. 3x plus 14 you can do, sir. Perfect, everyone. Perfect. So this ratio is given as 21:90. Now you might say, sir, it's a little bit lengthy method. Yes. But again, there are other methods as well. But again, we are doing it. Chalo, ye bahut zyada lengthy bhi nahi hai if you know how to calculate. If you know how to calculate. Correct, sir? Achha, thoda, calculations are a little bit tricky hoga. Calculations will be a little tricky. चलो ठीक है, क्या कर दिया तो 63x plus 21 into 14. Do not multiply this. 19 into 7, sir. So 19 into 7, how much, sir? 133. X minus 19 into, sir, 14. I'm doing the calculations here. So 33, this is, if you do now, sir, 33 minus 63, sir, 70x. That is equal to 14 will be common. So 14 into, sir, 21 plus 19 will be, sir, 30, sir. Sorry, 40, sir. So 70, this is gone, sir. This is 2, sir. So x is 8. X is 8 liters, sir. Now, if you know x is 8 liters, yeah, like I'll give you that technique as well. I will give you that technique as well. Don't worry. Original quantity of milk, sir, 8 liters. That means, like, that was 7x was the original milk. So it will be, sir, 7 8s are 56 liters. Now, another method that Reena, just before I could say, Reena ne bata diya. That was, now why we are doing all these calculations, because you see, you can skip all those calculations by understanding one simple thing, sir. 7:3 was milk. They are asking quantity, original quantity of milk. So it has to be a multiple of 7, sir. It has to be a multiple of 7. That's the way you should think. But again, that is why I have given you the method, because then only you will understand the difference, why you need these methods. Sir, 50 is not a multiple, 60 is not a multiple, 64 is not a multiple, only 56 is a multiple. That's your answer. Now again, sir, you might say, sir, what if it was, instead of 60, it was 63? Tab kya karte, sir? What would we do here? That also, then that means I now have two options, 56 and 63. Then I'll just do the next part. 20 liters means I'm taking out, sir, 14 liters of milk. And that should be, now if I take out 14 liters, that should be a multiple of 21. So 63 minus 14 is 49. Is it a multiple of 21? No, sir. Whereas 56 minus 14, that is 42. Is it a multiple of, say, 21? Yes, sir. So that will be my answer. Still, I'll get to my answer. Even if there is another option which is divisible by 4. Two ratios when you have, if one ratio is giving you two answers, use the other ratio to get your answer. Clear, everyone? Absolutely clear this. This is 100% clear. Not a difficult question, but again you need to be able to think in this fashion. तब जाके question बनेगा sir. Then only you will get to answer the question. Now, it is what's a train? 400-meter train crosses 350-meter train 15 seconds while moving in the opposite direction. Perfect. Sir, I can get the relative speed, like speed from here. Relative speed will be, sir, the speed of both the trains, x plus y. I'm just understanding. Because it will be what? It will be relative speed, opposite direction, so plus hoga, sir. That is actually what, sir? Total distance is 450 plus 400 plus 350, that is 750 in order to cross each other. So that they are doing in 15 seconds. So 15 fives are this. So 50 meter per second. Do not make a khichdi of units here. That is the total value. Right? Now one speed is 54 kilometer per hour. Sir, that means into 5 by 8 you do, because this value is meter per second, this is kilometer per hour. So 5 by 18, 18 threes are this, that is 15 meter per second. So the other train speed will be, sir, how much total, sir? 50. So it will be, it is 15. So the other is 35. But they are asking in kilometer per hour. So you do what? 18 by 5. 5 sevens are this. Right, sir? So how much is this, sir? 126 is the answer. 126, option number D is your correct answer. Everybody. Clear, sir? Clear, sir? Absolutely clear. So option number D, 126 is your correct answer. Absolutely, it should be clear. Moving on. Two cars having a speed of 5:7. एक second. यही वाला, like we are not doing the other mock ना, पता नहीं. Actually, this is today, like I don't take classes like this na. I like the mock analysis. So I'm also a little bit uncomfortable taking the class like this, because it's been a long time I've taken a class like this one, right? Chalo. Sir, two cars have speeds of this and this. Faster car moves this, sir, distance and hour time they given. That means they are asking you, we have given you speed. So speed will be what, sir? 6 sevens at this, so 70 kilometers per hour. The faster car, meaning, sir, 7 parts is the faster car. The speed ratio, this is given. So 5 parts will be what, sir? 50 kilometers per hour. Now, how long will take to do this? 300 by 56 hours will be the answer, option C. 10 seconder. It is a 10 seconder, sir. Clear, everyone? Very, very, very simple. Next one. In GHK, KV is the internal bisector of K. Okay. Meeting this and this and this. Okay, sir. Chalo, theek hai. Sorry. अरे सॉरी भाई, सॉरी. अच्छा, this was a like a mistake. I'll draw by hand only. अच्छा, GHK, sir. GHK. Bisector of K meets GH. KV is the internal bisector, okay? KV is the internal angle bisector, sir. अच्छा, काम करो, sir. In that case, na. In that case, let's make it like this. K, if this is V, sir. Now, angle K meeting, angle K meeting GH at V. GH at V, okay, sir. TH is perpendicular to KV. TH, baapre. TH is this, perpendicular to KV. So let's do this, sir. TH is perpendicular to KV at T. Okay. S is the midpoint of the side GH. GH, midpoint of the side is something S. Chalo, aisa kuch le lete hain, sir. This is S is this. TS is 7. TS is given as 7. Okay, write it. KG is 30. This side is 30, sir. KH they are asking. KH means this side they are asking. Wow. So this side we need, na? We need this side. We have not done any mistake, na? KH. V, KV, this GKH, GH, GH. Okay, sir. Chalo, I don't think so. Sir, as I can see, so I guess this is 90, na? Okay, sir. Yeah. So take these two triangles, sir. HTK, triangle HTK, and triangle K. So this, let's name it something. HSTU. U doesn't look good. U लिखना भी गड़बड़ है. M. ठीक है. So KMT, sir. ठीक है. Now these two triangles are not congruent, as I can see, because this angle is equal to this angle. Why? Because the internal bisector. These two angles are also same. These two angles, because both are 90 degrees, and this is also common side, common angle, common side. So these two triangles are congruent to each other. They are congruent to each other. Very good question, actually. Very अच्छा level का question है, sir. Now that means, sir, whatever is this side KM, whatever is this KM side, that is equal to HK side, because they are opposite to like two congruent triangles. But I don't know anything about this. But I do know this is 7. अच्छा, एक काम कर लो. That's then, and it is very simple. If these two sides are, if these two triangles are congruent, that means this T is the midpoint, sir. That means this T is your midpoint, sir. And once I know this is midpoint, sir, this is also, S was also midpoint. So midpoint theorem, sir. This side ST, that means I can conclude ST is half of GM or MG, whatever you call it. Or I can write MG will be double. So if ST is 7, MG is 14, sir. Total 30, this is 14. So this must be 16 centimeters, sir. Now if this is 16, then this is also 16. So answer C, 16 will be the correct answer. It was a little tricky. It was, I will admit, this was a little tricky. You see, generally congruency related questions, like they ask like less number of times. I won't say very much, but again, it's a very important. You see, they ask some like a little bit like kind of the frequency is little less. That doesn't mean they don't ask. Okay, and you won't prepare. You must be prepared for anything, especially this year. Especially this year, we all know why. Miss Roy deposited 20,000 fixed deposit 10% for annually 2 years. Compound, sir, 10% annually 2 years. Sir, principal ratio amount, sir, right? Or you can do it like this. So that is 10 square ratio. 10% means, sir, 1 by 10. It means, sir, 1 by 10. So 10 rupee principal, 1 rupee amount interest. So amount 11 rupee. 2 years means square. So 100 ratio 121. 100 parts is equal to this. So 121 parts will be, sir, or rather 121 we don't need. Interest is 21. Interest is 21. 21 parts will be, sir, 4,200 rupees. Very, very, very simple. Or if you want to go do it by AB theorem, 2 years interest will be 21%. A plus B plus AB by 100. 21% of 20,000, that will also give you 4,200. Whichever you prefer. This was the free hit question. एक line का question था. Absolutely, Rina. Very good. Very, very good. A and B together can finish a job in 12 days. A alone take 10 days more than B alone to complete the job. Whenever this is more wala aayega na, LCM method is not a good method in that case. LCM method na is not a good method in those situations. Sir, what is then good? Then what method? Which method will be a little better, sir? Then which method will be a little better, sir? The better will be to go by the basic 1 by thing. 1 by yaad hai? So again, sir, let me do it, sir. बहुत दिन बात कर रहे, sir. So 12 days the whole thing. So 1 day 1 by 12. A alone takes 10 days more than B. Let's say B takes, let's say, sir, B take X days. So 10 days more means A takes, sir, X plus 10 days. Right? So from there you will get 1 by x plus 10, 1 by a, or rather a, like this is the efficiency of a, and efficiency of b, it is equal to, say, total is given 1 by 12, just from this equation. So from there you will find the value of a, meaning the efficiencies of a and b. So एक second, can I have any better option? C joins them in for 3 days and then, acha, okay. I guess we can do it, na? I guess we can do it without actually going through this. एक second, C joins them. I do not think so. बहुत छोटा होगा. I don't think it will be a huge difference. I do not think there will be a huge difference. Normally कर लो sir. As we have started, let's do it sir. X square plus 10x. It is equal to 2x plus 10, so 24x plus 10 means at 120. X square minus 14x plus 120 is 0 sir. Right sir? Sir, 120 means 2, 2, 3. 2, 5. Sir, 5, 2, not so much. 3, 2s are 6, 3, 5s are 15. Anything at all? Am I making any mistake here? कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं क्या हम लोग? कुछ गलत कर रहे हैं क्या हम लोग? Sir, 120. 5 2s are 10. 3s are 30. 4s are 120. No. 3 2s are 6. 5s are 30. No. 2s are 20. अरे यार मैं पागल हूँ क्या? Sorry. अरे sorry. 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20 minus 6. We can see. अच्छा, but again it is plus. No, it is minus. गलत तो कर रहे थे सर. इसीलिए तो नहीं हो रहा है ना. Yes, minus 120. Yes, my mistake. So it is sir x square minus 20. Like, is it? Can you guys do it directly? Do you guys know how to do it directly? If you don't know, let me just show you. Sir. Sir, from here, minus 14 will be, sir, minus 20 plus 6. That gives us minus 14. So x value will be this. Just change the sign, sir. So minus hai to plus, plus hai to minus. Now, minus I cannot have an equation, so this is gone. So x is 20, sir. Now, please understand what's the advantage here. What is the advantage? Sir, that means A is doing the whole work in 30 days. Khatam. But please understand, that means we did not use anything from here. कोई भी data हमने use नहीं किया, because we have solved it like this. If we needed to use some data from here, like we use this data, then we might have like kind of say nahi karke bhi chalega. But again, this was like in the moment, this was the first thing that came to my mind. I did it like this. Everybody clear na sir? Clear hai na sir? Is it clear? Everybody clear sir? Everybody clear? Now when to use this? Whenever this more or less wala thing you see na, it's better you do it like this. Perfect. Chalo sir. X plus root 441 is 21 sir, plus 8 3s are this, 8 2s are this, so 32 into this is 13 minus 3 sir. It is equal to 4200. So this is not 10. 0 0 1. X will be 420 minus this is 53. 420 minus 53 means answer will be last 7. ये होगा answer. Option C. This is going to be your answer. This is going to be your answer. Perfect. Chalo sir. A right circular cone has slant height of 25 base is this. What is the volume? What is the volume? Sir, again, right circular cone, sir, slant height and base. Sir, height, can anyone tell me? If I say 24, will I be incorrect? because 24, 7 and 25, they are Pythagorean triplets. Volume is 1/3 into pi means at 22 by 7, right? Into r square is 7 square, into h is 24. Khatam, sir. 3 8s of this. So 8 2s are 16, 2s are 32, into say 22, like 11. 32 into 11, sir. अच्छा एक 7 छूट गया ना सर. 8. अच्छा no sir. So this is 22 into 7 into 8 sir. 56. देखो मैं वो 2 ले लिया था. 56 into 2 sir. 112 sir. Into 11 sir. Anything. Why I have written it like this? Because 11 multiplication is very easy to do. Sir, 1 you write, 2 you write. First and the last. 2 plus 1 3. 1 plus 1 2. That's your answer. 1 2 3 2 option B. And also from this, whenever you got this, all the other options are ending in 0. Cannot happen. So this must be your answer. This only option that is feasible is this. Perfect sir. Perfect sir. Perfect. Perfect. Chalo. Another way you want to know. Another way if you want to know, sir. Sir, once I got the height is 24, na sir. So volume is 1/3 into pi into r square into h. So it must be a multiple of pi, meaning it must be a multiple of 11. Because 7 I can see 7 cancel ho jayega. And 24 means 3 will also get cancelled. Check the options multiple, like for a multiple of 11, only this one is there. That's answer. That's also one way to solve. That is also one way to think about things. Okay? Chalo, next one. Next one. Sir, whenever you see something like this, ratio given, ratio asking, take the values directly, sir. 2, 3, 4. Sir, A plus B, 2 plus 3, 5. B plus C, 3 plus 4, 7. And sir, 5 and 7 means only option A can be the answer. Khatam, sir. You don't even need to do anything. You do not even need to do anything. Next one. The difference between the squares of the ages of two persons is this. Difference between their ages is 3. Find their ages. Sir, first things first. Always like take trial. Do not like try it because a quadratic aayega, sir. Sir, gap of 3, that means this one can be answered, this can be answered, this can be answered, this can be answered. Nothing I can cancel. But again, see this. So 31, I'm assuming you guys know all the squares, right? Even if you don't, at least, you know unit digits at least. 31 square ends in 1. 28 square ends in 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. That means 10 minus, always if you get something in minus, do it. 10 minus 3, that is 7. So your answer here will end in 7. Cannot be the answer, sir. Let's see, sir. 2 square 4, 9 square 1, sir, ends in 3, sir. Cannot be the answer. 3 square 9, 0 square 0 ends in 9, sir. Most probably this is the answer. Let's see still. 4 square 6, 1 square 1 ends in 5. Cannot be the answer. So our only possible answer is C. Only possible answer here is C, sir. That's your answer. Perfect. Not difficult if you know how to proceed. Chalo. A team of 50 men can complete 24 days. 10 men leave. The remaining men increase their individual efficiency by 50%. How long will they to complete the work? Okay, sir. 50 men can do it in 24 days. Every day they do 1 unit a day. Every man every day does 1 unit a day. That's efficiency. 10 men leave. Now there are 40 men. Reena, I'm briefing. Just let me complete this. I'll brief it. Sir, 40, 10 men leave. Now their efficiency has become 50% more. 3 by 2, sir. Right? How many days? I don't know. T days. Sir, both are equal. Calculate. So this is 20. 0, 0 gone. 3 2s are 6, 4s are this. So T is like 5 4s, 20 days options. Khatam, sir. Khatam, sir. Acha, Reena is asking the previous one. Na? You see, Reena. 2 options are given. Age is 3. So you see all 4 options are having a difference of age 3. But at least I need the difference of the squares to be 189. At least to be 9 unit digit. So 31 square and 28 square. 1 square 1, 8 square 4. So that means the unit digit is minus 3. Now minus cannot be the unit digit. That means 10 minus 3, that is 7. Is it matching? No, sir, cannot be my answer. 32, 29, 2 square 4, 9 square 1, so it is plus 3. Matching? No, sir, cannot be the answer. 4 square 6, like 6, 1 square 1, that is 5. Matching? No, sir, this must be the answer. Or you can also check 3 square 9 minus 0 square 0, answer 9. You see it is matching. Done. Done. Because I don't want to solve the quadratic. That's the only thing. That is the only thing. Perfect, sir. Now, immortal. Chalo, 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 sir. Acha. Just a second. Let me just. Very good evening, brother. Very, very good evening. Very, very good evening. Chalo. A courier travels from A to B 16, rest for 30 minutes at B, then travels B to C at this, where the distance between B and C is half the distance. Okay. The entire journey takes this, the distance between A and B. Sir, A, B, and C. A, B, and C. First things first. 30 minutes was added to his journey because of the rest. वो सब हटा दो sir. That means he has traveled for 5 hours. 5 whole 1 by 2. 1 by 2 hours he has rested. That way, that time he did not travel. The courier, right? This much part he traveled at this speed. This much part he traveled at this speed. Correct, sir? Now, total he took 5 hours. Now, the distance, the only thing that I know, the distance here is double, sir. If it is x, it is 2x. Correct, sir? If the entire journey is this, this is half the distance, B to C is half. Perfect. That means, sir, what can we say about this? What can we say about the total distance? The total distance they are asking. Total distance they are asking, sir. Correct? So let's do this. So 2x distance traveled at a speed of this, distance by speed. These are all kilometers, okay? And this is, sir, x distance traveled at a speed of 24. This total, so time plus time, total time is 5 hours. Now, where you will make mistakes if you do not forget, if you forget about this half an hour. Calculate kar lo, so it's not, it only looks difficult, sir. Sir, 8. Sir, x by 8 only you can take common, sir. So, if I take x by 8 common, it is 1 here plus 1 by 3. That is 4 by 3, sir. That is 5. So, you can see x by 8 into 4 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 4 2s are this. So, x is equal to 5 6 are 30. They are asking what? They are asking, find the distance. So, x is this, 60 is this, 30 plus 60, 90 is the answer. Arey, एक second, have I made any mistake? 1 plus 1 by 3, 4 by 3, 6. Have I made any mistake? B to C. Distance between this, if the entire journey took this. Huh? So, बहुत simple, but again, what happened? 4 divided by 3 is this, 4, 2, 6, 6 5s are this. मेरे को तो कुछ गलत नहीं दिख रहा. Anyone? Reena, can you see anything wrong? X is 60, you are saying? अरे यार A to B पूछा है. Sorry भैया, I'm taking like 3 times. पागल. A to C I'm finding. देखो बैठा हुआ था, sir. B is the answer. Extremely sorry. Extremely sorry. Sorry. Jerry, like the problem that happened, I did not see the last line. I did not see the last line. My mistake here. I completely made a mess. My mistake. I was trying to figure out A to C, and this is 3x. I'm thinking 90 तो option में है नहीं. अच्छा, A invests this much. Acha, whenever you see this, what I've told you guys, sir, get rid of all the zeros. Sir, 4 zeros here, 4 zeros here, 4 zeros here, 4 zeros here, 4 zeros here. Think about, because zero I'll not write because ratio है वो कट भी जाएगा ऐसे. Sir, A, B, C. A invest 5 rupees for 6 months, 5 rupees for 6 months, then 4 rupees for 6 months. That means plus 4 for 6 months. It is not like added 4 rupees. Now, B invests 4 rupees for 12 months, 4 rupees for 12 months ratio. C invests 3 rupees for 8 months, 3 into 8 plus 5 rupees for 4 months, 5 into 4. Perfect. Chalo, let's do this. Sir, 4 se we can cancel, 4 se we cannot cancel. So 2 se cancel. 2, this is sir 4, this is sir 2, this is 3, this is 3. Anything else? 3 नहीं जाएगा सर. चलो ये ऐसे ही करना है. 15 plus 12, 27, 24 ratio. This is 12 plus 10, 22. Total is this loss. C का share. So C will get 22 parts out of the whole thing. 46 plus 27, 46 plus 30 is 76, minus 3 is 73. 14600, 73 200 at this. So 4400 is the answer, sir. 4400 option E. That's your answer, sir. Option A, sir. Next one. 30AB is divisible by 110 means brother 10, but brothers and sisters 10 into 11. So now it is divisible by 10 means 100% B has to be 0. So 3032 A0, it must be divisible by 11. How? So then what can be the value of A here, sir? Let's see. Alternate sums, you can do this, or the like consecutive that I had shown, you can do that as well. So it is, I'm doing it normal. 3 plus 2, like 3, 6 plus A. Minus, this is set 0, 2, 0, meaning set 2. It is 4 plus A has to be divisible by 11, meaning sir A value has to be 7, sir. The only possible value of A. Mil gaya, sir. 2A plus 5B. Sir, B to 0, sir. B hatao. B is not there. 2A is sir, 3 2s are like 2 7s are 14 minus 3A. Achha, sorry, 2A minus 3A remaining. You don't need, so it is minus A, meaning minus 7. Minus 7 option A is the answer. You do not need it because everything is getting cancelled here. Next one. A chord AB is drawn inside a circle. Okay, perfect. The tangents, ये बना सकते हैं क्या सर? चलो ठीक है, बना लिए. Now, AB tangents are at point A and B meet P at this. Okay, sir. Where 68 degree. Okay, sir. ऐसा कुछ ले लो, sir. This is P and this is chord AB, sir. This is your chord AB, sir. A here, B here. Achha, meet at an angle 68. So this is 68 degree. Okay, perfect. What is the angle subtended by the chord AB on C on the minor arc of the circle? Minor arc is this, let's say. 1 second. This is 68. हाँ ऐसा ही होगा, sir. They're asking you to find this angle, sir. This angle you need. Let's say this is center, sir. Let us say this is center, sir. Okay. Let's see this. Let us just see this for 1 second. It's very simple. So this total is a 90 degree, the angle. So this total is 90 degrees, sir. Also, can anyone tell me what is the angle here in the triangle APB? It's because these two chords like the tangents are always same, so angles are also same. So if it is 68 degree, total is 180 minus 68. 180 minus 68 means 112 by 2 kar do, sir, for each of the angles. This is the same. So 56 each. So from there, can anyone tell me what will be this much only? This much will be, how much, sir? Total 90, this much 56. So that means 34 degree. Now this is 34, this is 34. If both are 34, sir, this angle will be how much, sir? This angle will be, sir, this will be 180 degree minus 34 and 34, that is 68. So again it will be 112 degrees. Again it will be 112 degrees. Correct, sir? Correct, everyone? So 112 degrees, if you can see, 112 degree. अच्छा ये तो direct भी निकल जाता है. We have done many things. We didn't know, like, need this. एक second, sir. Let me just na do it in a much faster manner. We can do it now in a much faster manner. We don't need this much. एक silly mistake I have missed. One simple thing I have missed, sir. Sir, A here, B here. So this is the center. Chalo, theek hai. So this is 68 na, sir. So this is 90, this is 90. So this angle we can directly say, sir, total 360. Usme se, sir, 90, 90, 180 gone. So this will be na, sir, 180 minus 68 directly you can write, sir. That is 112. Itna kuch karna hi nahi tha, sir. If this is 112, these two angles, sir, achha, I don't need actually these two angles, because they are asking us to figure out this angle na. To figure out this particular angle, वो हम निकालेंगे, sir. Sir, if this is 112, this angle, can anyone tell me? This angle will be, sir, 360 minus 112, and this is central angle, and this is the angle made on the circumference. So this angle will be, sir, by 2 just. So 180 minus 56 degree, again it will be, sir, 112 degrees. Again it will be, sir, 112 degrees, option B. Option B will be your correct answer, sir. ये हटा देते हैं, sir. अरे एक second, have we made anything? Have we made something incorrect? हाँ, एक सेकेंड, ये तो होना नहीं चाहिए. 68 degree, this is given. They are asking minor arc means यही तो बोल रहा है. Now the problem is that they have not mentioned whether this chord is like, because, but again chord like tangent है तो chord तो इधर ही होगा, minor arc नहीं होगा. There is no other option. There is absolutely no other option. This is 112 degree. This is 360 minus 112. This angle. Divided by, sir, 2 will be this angle. Sir, 180 degree minus this is 56 degree. अच्छा 112 कैसे आया? मैं पागल हूँ क्या? सॉरी. हाँ जी, 124. अरे मैं पागल हूँ क्या? सब कुछ सही क्या, आंसर में क्या कर दिया पता नहीं. मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा है, अच्छा पता नहीं क्यों. अच्छा, again for this question, everyone, I need to kind of zoom out a little bit, otherwise I cannot see the question, right? I hope you guys can see this. So wheat and rice in 5 different states. Wheat and rice. The production of wheat in state B and D together. Wheat in B and D together, sir. Okay, 550, 450. Okay, total is, sir, 1000. What percentage more than rice in state A and E? Rice, it is this, and E is, sir, this. Okay, sir. So it is, you see how, what are these values, sir? 550, sir, gap of 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 gaps is 100. That means every gap is 25. So this means that this is 600. This value. And this value is 1 gap above 450. That means, sir, 475. So total, sir, 1075. Total, sir, 1075. So gap of 75, which is less by 75. Than what? Always base will be whatever is after than the production of rice. That means than this thing, sir. Correct, sir? Calculate kar lo, sir. 25 3s are this, 25 4s are 100, 25 3s are this. ये तो करना ही होगा, sir. 300 by 43. Options देखने, options, अच्छा. Options, sir. Options are very good, given very good. Sir, only possibility is 7. You see 43 ka or 300 ka, if you just go with this 43 into 10, is that 430. So meaning 430 by, if I had written 430 by 43, that answer would have been 10%. But numerator is much less, so answer will be less than 10%. That is options. Option C, that is only option which is less than 10%. वही आंसर होगा सर, वही आंसर होगा सर. Clear everyone? Hopefully. चलो. Last a few questions. In a school, the ratio is this: 60% and this. This total average, like overall passing percentage. Sir, very good. So 960 if it is given, na sir. Sir, the ratio, how many boys, how many girls? How many boys, how many girls? 7 and this. 7 ratio 5. But again, do I need this percentage, na? Percentage they are asking, na? You can keep using this value as well. You can do the question without actually using this value if you want. ठीक है. But still, चलो दिया है कर लेते हैं. 7 and 5, 12 parts is 96, meaning 1 part is 80. 960 meaning 80. So this is 560, this is 400, boys and girls. So past is 60% boys, 60% means 3/5 of 560. And sir, how many girls? 80%, 4/5 of 400, sir. So this is 5 8s are this, meaning 80, 80, this is the 320 girls passed. And this will be how much, sir? 56, meaning, sir, 112. That is a 336. Total student who has passed 656 out of 960 into 100, sir. Calculations करना होगा, sir. Sir, then 3, 6, 6, 12, 5, no, नहीं जाएगा, sir. 2 से करोगे तो 48, 2 से, sir. 32s are 64, 18s are this. 2 से, sir, it is, अच्छा 8 से ही जाएगा ना, 6, 8, 4, 41, sir. Sir, 410 by 6, sir. That, अच्छा ये तो इधर से जा सकते हैं. 3, this is 205, sir. 205 by 3. So 3 6 are 18, 25 means 868 point something. That one. Option B has to be your answer. Option B has to be your answer. Simple questions. Moving on. अच्छा थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेते हैं ना. हाँ जी. So who obtained 79 marks in all subjects taken together? अरे सर ये तो थोड़ा गड़बड़ है सर. थोड़ा गड़बड़ है सर. Sir, do not worry. Sir. Do not worry. 79 marks if someone has scored in all these subjects. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how much he has scored? 85, sir. For 400 minus 5. That is 400 minus 5 is 395. That means that this person has scored 395. Check the unit digit, sir. 6 plus 2 plus 2, 4, 8, sir. This cannot be the person. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, sir, 11. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 and 9, sir, 15, sir. Sir, this can be my answer. Let's see. 2 plus 5. Actually, like honestly, what you will do now, you don't even need to check everyone. Just check the options. Suhail, sir, Suhail cannot be the answer. Rajat can be the answer. Shambhav ka check करेंगे and Sadhana ka check करेंगे. I don't need to check for Rashi. Sir, 1 plus 2, sir, 3 plus 9. 9 and 8 sir, 17. 3 sir, unit digit 0, sir, cannot happen. 8, 8, 16, 16, ये भी sir हो सकता है. This is also 5. This is also 5, sir. So again, we have to calculate. अभी तो, so possible answers Rajat and Sadhana. चलो sir एक बार calculate कर ही लेते हैं. 90, 50, that is 140, 210, 260, 200 and 310. So 9, 4, 4, 8, 17, 320, and sir, this is 5, 25. So 335. No, sir, this is not the answer. Sadhana must be the girl. Sadhana must be the answer. Hopefully. That's the answer. That is your answer, sir. Clear, everybody? Clear, everybody? So these little bit of calculations, these little bit of like usage of your brain, you must. Sec given as 2. Acha, chalo, badhiya. Sec 2, meaning cos is half. Cos when half, sir, 60 degree mein. A plus B 60 degree. 2A minus B, that is also 60 degree. Don't like, acha, Values of A and B they are asking. A and B, sir, first things first, all are giving 0. अच्छा ठीक है, चलो बढ़िया. Now this just solve, sir. Add कर दो, sir. Gone 3A 120, A is 40, sir. A is 40 degree. That means answer is B. Answer is B, sir. Don't need to check many things. So if an asset bought at 80,000 depreciates 20% per annum for 2 years. Then it sold for 50% of its value after depreciation. What is the percentage decrement? Chalo, sir. So it depreciates for 2 years 20%, that is 44% depreciation. So 80,000, the value after depreciation will be, sir, 80,000 into how much remaining, sir? 56% remaining, 44% depreciation. Now sold for 50% of this. 50% means half of this. 28. So 0000. So 800 times 28. That was the value. Now they are asking percentage decrease kya hai, sir? Let's figure out the percentage. Now decrease 100 se minus kar denge, sir. So 28 at 100. Let's not. Sorry. 28 into 800 out of, sir, 80,000. Depreciation is, sir, we'll figure out, sir. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So it is 8 8s are gone. So ultimately 28% value remaining. This is not depreciation, this is value remaining. So how much value, like depreciation, sir? 100 minus 28, 72%. क्या मैं किया? Have I made any error? रुको. That I might make an error. Sir, 80,000, 20% means that 44% depreciation, sir. 2 years. So 56% remaining. 56 by 100. Half of that, it is the value. This is 28. 0000. 28 into 800, sir. Correct? 28 into 800 if I do. So that was the value remaining. Out of the original was 80,000, sir. So how much percentage is the new value? So this is this. 0000. 8 8s are gone. 28. 28% value is remaining, na? Decrease from the original price. So वही तो किया, sir. 72% ही तो आ रहा था. We are getting 72% only as answer. We are only getting 72% as answer, na? Then what? Some mistake. 20, 44%. $54,400. No. No, sir. Calculation भी तो I don't think anything wrong. I do not think calculation में भी कुछ wrong है. तो एक काम करो. Let's normally take it, sir. अच्छा, this is coming out as 54,400. This is 28 times 800. So this is what you are getting, Narina. Value is 54,400 for what? Asset value. Achha, 28. No, but Reena, you see 50% is sold for 50%, na? Something is not right. Something is not right here. So I must make the half. I must take this 50%, na? Yes, this is that is what I'm saying. This is 25,600. Yes, this is 25,600, right? This is 25. If I have not taken this half, then 54,400 makes sense. Then 54,400 makes sense. Yes, so what I'm saying, Reena, you see. So let's figure out 25,600 na. It is what percentage of 80,000? That is what I'm saying. Because ultimately, if you take now, it is you are doing 80,000 minus this. So 100% I'll minus. That is what I'm saying. Two zeros, two zeros, two zeros, two zeros. So 8. अरे हाँ कैलकुलेशन में वो ये but again 1 second 280 minus 56 ना I'm getting this 224 though. This is not 256. How can this be 226, like 256? Yes, I am also confused. This is 224. This is 22,400 I'm getting. According to this calculation. 80,000 depreciates 20%, 2 years, it has become 44% less. That means 56% is the current value. Then like 50% of its value after depreciation. 50% means 1 by 2. So मेरे को तो गलत ही नहीं. I cannot find any mistake here. हाँ रीना, so that is exactly, you see my base is 80,000 only. वो भी तो मेरे को दिख रहा है. Yes, reduced from 80k. But the value is after depreciation. You see. Sir, 80,000, 20% per annum. So total, sir, how much reduction? 44% reduction. That is 20. अरे यार रिडक्शन ना, सॉरी देखा, एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, मैंने यही तो गलत करके रख दिया सर. इट इज 400 प्लस होगा ना, 44 ही तो नहीं है. एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, दैट्स द प्रॉब्लम. इट इज 36% ना. अरे यार, एंड आई एम लाइक क्या मैंने गलत किया. देखो जब गलती होता है ना, टुडे ऐसे ही मेरा दिमाग काम नहीं कर रहा, एंड इट इज नॉट, इट इज गिविंग अस ऑल सॉर्ट्स ऑफ ट्रबल्स. यू सी नाउ 64%, उसका हाफ 32%, you can calculate everything and you do not multiply. That is what I'm saying. So this is what value, this is what percentage of 80,000 you figure out, sir, into 100. So 00000000 88. So this is 32% of this new value after depreciation and everything is 32% of the original value. How much decrement, sir? 68% decrement. See, Reena, what I was saying, I'm saying rather than taking the minus, ना figure out the percentage. So 100 से minus कर देंगे sir. We'll do that. We will do that at the end. तो कुछ गलत कर दिए थे हम, पता नहीं क्या, पता नहीं सर क्या. 4x 3y अच्छा सर, ये टाइप सर, that means you have to multiply. Lengthy, a little bit lengthy sir. 4x into 2x sir, how much? 8x square. Meaning px square. Compare, always compare these two. Meaning sir p is 8. So p value is 8 sir. ठीक है, एक काम करो, ये सब हटाओ. So I'll keep on doing one step at a time. 4x plus 4 like y. देखो y का xy, like where we can get 4x into y, that is 4xy minus 3y into this minus 6xy. So it will be sir plus 4xy minus 6xy, meaning minus 2xy. So 2r is sir 2, r is sir 1. Keep this. Now y square, how can I get, sir? Plus 1 minus 3, minus 3y square, minus 3y square. That means q value is minus 3 sir. S कहां से आएगा? S will come from x. X, how can I get, sir? 4x into sir minus 4, or sir this 5 into sir plus 5 into 2x. 4 minus 4, it is minus 16, and sir this is plus 10. So it will be minus 6. that is the value of s. 2s is minus 6, s is minus 3, sir. S is minus 3. T, sir, where from I will get T? Where I will be getting T from? Chalo, let's see. T is y. So y minus 3y into minus 4 plus 12y, sir. And sir, again plus 5 into y, sir, that is plus 5. So again 17. 17 is this. That is y value. 2t is 17. So t is equal to, sir, 17 by 2. U will be what, sir? U will be the constant term. U will be your constant term. Let's see. U is alone. So constant term, how will you be getting, sir? 5 into 4, that is minus 20. यही तो है सर, कैलकुलेट कर लो. 8, बाप रे, 8 and 1 9 minus 26 plus 17 by 2. That means 17 by 2 minus this will be, sir, 17. So it is minus 17 by 2 answer. That is option number, sir, D. That is, देखो आज ना मेरा दिन ही खराब है सर. Is my sir, I had omitted and then it is coming. Sir, can please everyone give me the values now. So I'm making so many mistakes today. Extremely sorry. And दिमाग में काम नहीं कर रहा है. 4 into 2, sir, 8. Something wrong I'm doing every question. P Q is, sir, minus 3 into this, sir, minus 3. 2r xy. xy I'll get, sir, 4x into y plus 4 minus 6. That is minus 2. So 2r is this, it is minus 1. 2r is minus 2, that is minus 1. Now. 3y square minus half. Now, x will come from 4 and this, and minus 16, and so this is plus 10. So minus 6. Minus 6 is equal to 2s. So s will be, sir, minus 16. So this is minus 8. Now t will be how much, sir? 2t. T is, sir, y. So meaning minus 3y into minus 4 plus 12. And sir, y and plus 5, that is plus 5 plus 17. कुछ गलत मैं बार-बार कर रहा था. U, let's see, sir. U is constant. So plus 5 minus 4, it is minus 20. Calculate and give the answer. But again एक 2 आना चाहिए था ना. 2t was equal to 17. So ये 17 by 2 होगा, sir. Plus 17 by 2. 8 and minus 8 gone, sir. This is minus 24. 17 minus 48 by 22. Sir, it is how much, sir? It is how much, sir? 48, 31 I'm getting. Am I making mistakes? पता नहीं क्या कर रहे हम बैठ के. Four into 2, sir, 8. Why I'm making so much mistakes? I don't know. It's very uncomfortable. Minus 3 into plus 1. That is minus 3. 2r xy, sir. xy will come from 4x and y, that is plus 4. Minus 3y into this, that is minus 6. That is, sir, minus 2. 2r is minus 2, so r will be, sir, minus 1. So 8, this is minus 3, this is minus 1. S is what, sir? S is x ka value. 4x into minus 4, that is minus 16. And sir, 2x into plus 5, that is, sir, plus 10. That is minus 6. 2s is minus 6, so it will be, sir, minus 3. Okay. T will be what, sir? T will be, sir, खुद को ही नहीं दिख रहा है कैसे करेंगे. T is this 2t. Y is, sir, minus 3. So y का coefficients are minus 3 into minus 4, that is plus 12. And sir, y into 1, sir, plus 5. It is plus 17 is this, so it will be 17 by 2, sir. U is, sir, minus 20. See this now, sir. See this now. Now it is giving you how much? Now it is giving you 8 minus 3, that is sir 8 minus 3 sir 5 plus 17 divided by 2 minus 24 sir. सर माइनस 19 प्लस 17 बाई 2 करके देखो जो भी आएगा सर 22 माइनस 38 प्लस 17 सर 17 yes sir it is minus 21 by 2. I don't know what I was doing like till इतना टाइम से एक लाइन का क्वेश्चन मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स एंड मिस्टेक्स एंड मिस्टेक्स आई डोंट नो व्हाट डोंट नो व्हाई. अच्छा दिस क्वेश्चन इज इम्पॉसिबल टू डू इन दिस. It is very simple. It's not very difficult. चलो एक एक करके करते हैं सर. Sales in north region. Sales in north region is given. Sales in south region is also given. Total sales is given. Sales of north region exceeds south by 2 lakhs. So 12 को सर half कर दो. And the north will be more, south will be less. So 6 minus this is 5 lakhs. 5 zeros. 2 3 5 3 to 5 is, and that will be sir 7 lakhs. अरे ये इधर क्यों आ रहा है? This will be sir 7 lakhs 700,000. ठीक है, that's done. What is the ratio of north electronic cells to south clothing cells? So north electronic cells, electronics is समझ में भी नहीं आ रहा है which is electronics. Home clothing, I guess this is electronics with this one sir 50%. So that means 3,50,000 divided by, and this is south clothing. Clothing is what sir? I'm assuming this 30%. So 315 of 150k sir. So 7:3 might be the answer. 7:3 should be the answer. Option number A sir. Next one sir. Last question. Two alloys P and Q contain copper and tin in the ratio this and this respectively. They are mixed to form this much new alloy with copper, which copper and tin are in this ratio. How many kilograms of P and Q are used? How many kilograms of these things are used? Chalo. Two alloys P and Q contains this mixed in 40 kg to form this. This is this. Acha, chalo. Sir, take allegation. Take allegation like with this. So we can take allegation either with copper or tin. So copper से लेते sir. Copper is 5/8. This is 7/8. This is 3/4. Take allegation sir. The 3/4 na sir. Let's make it 6/8. Calculations will be a little easier. So it is 1/8, 1/8. That means sir 1:1 will be the answer. So 40 kg 1:1, 20:20 is the answer. Option B is the correct answer sir. Perfect sir. That's all. So again, that will then be all for the day. I don't know. Again, I'm not feeling well actually. So again, I'll see you guys most probably tomorrow at 5 o'clock. So again, if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment below, and I will see you guys then tomorrow. Till then, please take care and bye-bye. Thank you so much.